eminent personalities, Srimati K.A. Nagajyoti.
Legal services to the weaker sections of the society and to... Before we are going to formally start the function, may I now...
And the teaching faculty member of BPCL. Welcome you, sir. A bouquet to Devraj Shetika. Thank you, sir. Udupi, welcome you, sir. Bouquet to Shri Prakash Kanivedi. Welcome you, sir. I request
Karnataka Legal Service Authority has introduced and promoted various schemes and programs to ensure the legal service to the indigent, backward, needy and neglected segment of society. So the authority has the obligation of extending free and competent legal aid to the weaker section of the society to ensure that the access to justice is not denied to anyone on account of the social and economic disabilities. Under this scheme, we have the State Legal Service Authority has made guidelines to make the programs and also how to conduct the programs. In that respect, primarily it introduced the legal Lok Adalats. That each court has conducted the legal Lok Adalats monthly for two days. So in that respect, some civil matters, maintenance matters and motor accident compensation claims and are all settled by mutual conciliations. Of organizing Lok Adalat as an effective alternative dispute resolution mechanism to resolve the disputes pending before the courts and also to resolve the disputes at pre-litigation cases. The responsibility of implementing the aforesaid aims and objectives has been entrusted to the judiciary. So to bring uniformity in the performance throughout the state and to sensitize the district and Taluka Legal Service Authorities, it has issued the guidelines as to how to conduct legal service should be rendered. In that respect, recently the amendment in CPC, section 89 of CPC, where it is compulsory sent for mediation and introduction of judicial settlement Lok Adalat and by plea bargaining in criminal cases and especially the special significance of this is the mediation, where both parties will sit together and a third person will mediate them to settle the dispute. Under this mediation, there is no restriction that we should deal with only the problems before them, but it deals other aspects also. It's the overall dispute resolution. And it is under this program we have also women's workshop conducting. Women can fight themselves and protect themselves only if they are aware of their rights.